So, I'm going to do an unboxing today of the Munchpak. This is what it looks like. I already blanked out my address. Munchpak. I already opened the tape because it was kind of... Okay. When you open it, you can download the apps and different stuff. Really cute little card. Sticker. And this really pretty paper over the top. Ooh. Okay. So we have some of the stuff I don't know what it is. Chicken macho. Gallo macho snacks. That's chicken macho snacks. Fantastic wasabi flavor. I'm not a big fan of wasabi, but maybe they're good, you know. Zappos, Cajun Deal, Gator, Caters, Zappos. Those are like a New Orleans thing, I think. Is that a croissant? Croissant with caramel filling. 7 days. Don't know what that means. Maybe that's the brand or something. I have no clue what this is, but it's cheese flavored. That's better. Looks like some sort of cheese crackers. Oh, I don't know. Like fruity candies. I've seen these in the supermarket, but I've never bought them. Pokey. Cute. Vienna hazelnut cream wafers. I've had these before. Not this brand, but the caramel filled wafers. And it looks like an ice cream cone or something, but Giant 7 something. I don't know what that is, but that's supposedly what the inside looks like. Pretty cool. So overall, this is my first one I've ever got. Haven't tried anything yet. Maybe I'll do a video of me trying this stuff, but I mean, it's supposed to be snacks from all around the world, so that's why a lot of the stuff I'm not sure of. Some of it looks similar to stuff we have here in the United States. Some of it doesn't, so we'll see.